From Kerewe to Marosi, the coastline stretches out beneath us, wild open and still largely untouched. The hills rising above the ocean are beginning to change as new resorts slowly discover this remarkable part of West Sumba. And here, high above the coast, is our land, looking west across the landscape with uninterrupted views towards the setting sun. A place where Sumba still feels untouched.